Gundam.my, and today we are reviewing the RX-78-2 entry grade. So, within the box itself contains the manual, 4 sets of pieces, the first and second are colored based on the RX-78, 2 white parts respectively as well. Now we proceed to build the model on a quick video. The entry grade requires no tools or paint to fully show its best quality. So throughout the build, you will notice that I am only using my hands to easily combine everything respectively in place. So, after a quick 30-minute assembly, here are all the pieces presented. From top to bottom, from head, the legs, the arms, everything is presented. As you can see, the model is quite flexible surprisingly as an entry grade. Even without polycaps, its movement is pretty smooth. Unfortunately, the legs can't do a full split 90 degrees like the revived version. So there's that, due to the fact that the revived version has polycaps and the entry level doesn't, just for the easiness of beginners and for those that are returning back to the hobby itself. But even without the luxury of polycaps, it can still make poses to awesome degrees to make iconic poses combined with a stander. The stander is sold separately for 3 ringgit, so you might as well order it if you are buying one entry grade. The entry grade is priced for approximately 28 ringgit, and in Japanese, as a fun fact, is for 700 yen. So that is all from me. My name is Abdurrahman. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated. Do comment down below how you enjoyed the video or how we can improve it in the future based on the quality itself. Hope to see you in the next video. Ciao!